I bet you didn't know fixing your Jeep's Bluetooth can be this easy. Let's dive in. Bluetooth issues can be super frustrating, right? But don't worry, we've got a quick fix for your Jeep Grand Cherokee. First, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is on and visible. It sounds simple, but you'd be surprised how often this is the problem. Next, go to your Jeep's Uconnect system. You'll find it on your dashboard screen. Tap on Settings, then Bluetooth. Check if your phone is listed. If it is, select it and choose Disconnect. Now, on your phone, remove the Jeep from your Bluetooth device list. This helps clear any old connection issues. After that, restart your phone and your Jeep. Once both are back on, go to the Uconnect system again. In Bluetooth, tap Add Device. Then, on your phone, search for new Bluetooth devices. When you see your Jeep, tap on it to pair. You might need to enter a PIN, which will show up on both screens. Finally, test if your phone connects and plays music or makes calls. If you're still having trouble, it might be time for a software update or to reset the Uconnect system. Check your owner's manual for specific instructions. There you have it. Fixing your Jeep's Bluetooth issues can be that simple. Safe driving.